fucking know that these fucking eyes that I'm staring at, let me see that ass. Look at all this cash, and I've emptied out my cards too. Now I'm fucking leaning on that. Bring your love, baby, I can bring my shame. Bring the drugs, baby, I can bring my pain. I got my heart right here, I got my scars right here. Bring the cups, baby, I can bring the drink. Bring your body, baby, I can bring your fame. That's my motherfucking world too. Just let me motherfucking love you. Listen, I'll give you all I've got. Give me all of this, I mean confidence in myself. Listen, I'll give you all of me. Give me all of it, I need all of it to myself. So tell me you love me, only for tonight, only for tonight. Even though you don't love me, just tell me you love me. Even though you don't love me. Let me see you dance, I love to watch you dance. Take you down another level, and got you dancing with the devil. And take a shot of this, but I'm wanting you. I'm on that shit that you can smell, baby. So put down your perfume. Bring your love, baby, I can bring my shame. Bring the drugs, baby, I can bring my pain. I got my heart right here, I got my scars right here. Bring the cups, baby, I can bring the drink. Bring your body, baby, I can bring your fame. And that's my motherfucking word too. So let me motherfucking love you. Listen, I'll give you all I've got. Give me all of this, I mean confidence in myself. Listen, I'll give you all of me. Give me all of it, I need all of it to myself. I need all of it. So tell me you love me, only for tonight, only for tonight. Even though you don't love me, whoa, just tell me you love me. Even though you don't love me.
Of a girl that I used to know well. Danced in the girl that I used to know.